morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday morning. A couple things about today in a minute. Yesterday I did Amish baked custard. I'm getting a thumbs up from across the room. Yes, Robin is still home. If she goes to work now, she'll be in overtime. And the county doesn't allow that. So the Amish custard, it was good. Not quite my creme brulee, but still good. I will share the recipe. Then I went into British bangers and garlic butter steak bites with cheesy smashed potatoes. And it's not smashed potatoes like mashed potatoes, baby reds, boiled, then squished. So you should say squished potatoes, not smashed. Cheese and yummies. It was a good meal. I'll get that recipe up as well. Robin made a remark about the bangers being bland. I'm like, what do you expect for British food? So, there you go. Tonight, I'm doing garlic butter chicken with Parmesan rice and peas and carrots. Let's get to it. Got the all-clad out. No wok today, but the all-clad is out. We got chicken. These are chicken breasts. We've been able to get some chicken breasts on sale recently. They'll be done up in kosher salt, black pepper, some garlic powder, and then they'll be sauteed in some olive oil. For the rice will be obviously some rice, garlic, lots of butter, and red pepper flakes, white wine, chicken stock, and Parmesan cheese. Hence the name of the Parmesan rice. Yeah, you got the idea. And then frozen peas and carrots, which I'll just add a little bit of water, some butter, salt, pepper, and we'll play with that. So it's a quick Wednesday morning. It's supposed to be cooler today. We'll see. All right, on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.